Removing your night lenses is quick and easy. When you wake up, after washing your hands, instill a few comfort drops into your eyes. Wait 10 minutes before removing your night lenses. Wash your hands again and dry them thoroughly with a clean, lint-free towel. Sit in front of your mirror, lying flat. Lean over your mirror, face parallel to the mirror. Lock your lower eyelid against the eye at the lash line without pressing too hard on the eye. Lift your upper eyelid to the lash line. Accompany it with your fingertips. Then, bring your eyelids together to tilt the lens out of the eye. Massage your lens in the palm of your hand with a few drops of an oxidizing agent to clean it from any potential germs. Never rinse with tap water or mineral water to avoid contamination. Place the lens in its case. Fill your case with an oxidizing agent and soak your lenses for at least 6 hours. Change the product every day. As soon as you change your oxidizing agent bottle, remember to change your case. Recommendations: do a deproteinization every week. Place the night lenses in the lens case basket. Add 1 enzyme tablet. Soak your contact lenses all day. Rinse your lenses and lens case thoroughly with saline solution before reinserting them. Do not insert your lenses if you have eye irritation or if they are damaged or chipped. Do not shower or bathe while wearing your lenses.